East Karbi Anglong Garo Union, Dokmoka Zone conducted executive meeting at Dokmoka and reorganized its union portfolios, unanimously approved Sen Areng as President and Probin Sangma as General Secretary. On 3rd of July, East Karbi Anglong Garo Union, Dokmoka Zone conducted executive meeting at Church of Christ School, Dokmoka, and a union's body was reshuffled at the meeting. In the meeting, Proka Sangma, President East Karbi Anglong Garo Union Diffu Zone, and Amiston Momin, General Secretary East Karbi Anglong Garo Union Diffu Zone, attended as guests, and several dignitaries from the union attended to grace the occasion. It was informed that to strengthen the union and to prevail all the privileges and rights from the government, and several issues were discussed at the meeting. For smooth functioning of Garo Union Dokmoka Zone, it was unanimously approved that Sen Areng as their president and Probin Sangma as their general secretary of Dokmoka Zone.
Aji amar Garo Unionor body formation meeting, jehetu amar Garo Union amar Dokmoka অঞ্চলত Dokmoka Zoneor ভিতৰত আপোনাৰ 15-16টা আমাৰ গাৰো গাঁও আছে আৰু সেই গাৰো গাঁৱত থকা আমাৰ যিটো নেকি পুৰণা বডি আছিল সেই বডিটো আমি ডিজলভ কৰি এতিয়া আকৌ আমি নতুন গাৰো ইউনিয়নৰ আমাৰ Dokmoka Zone আমি বডি ফৰ্মেশন কৰিছো আৰু এই নতুন বডি ফৰ্মেশন কৰাৰ পাছত আমাৰ যে কামখিনি আগবঢ়াই লৈ যায় হেতুৰ কাৰণে আজি আমাৰ এই বডি ফৰ্মেশনৰ মিটিং হৈছিল।
Likewise, the following members were entrusted with their respective portfolios at the meeting: Haniston Sangma as the Vice President, Klab Sangma as the Assistant Secretary, Anok Areng as Office Secretary, Boronson Sangma as Advisor and Finance Secretary. After a prolonged discussion, the meeting was concluded successfully. Samsing Ingtis report from Dokmoka, Karbi Anglong Live.